Here is our Spanish dryer by Siemens. Ice Sensoric for an hour and 40 minutes, but we found that it doesn't really dry very good. This is our Spanish washer, again Siemens, and this thing works pretty good, believe it or not.
You usually use this for cotton,
Okay.
algodon,
Okay.
and then you put detergent and softener.
So it's,
Detergent
In which side?
and softener,
Oh.
both.
Oh, okay.
Yes, both
like
side.
how much do you use for the
Half for this,
for,
Yeah.
for
half and half.
okay, half and half.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
you put half and half in
And
there?
then One
Softener.
One day.
One.
Okay.
But if you need anything, you can call me or text me.
Okay.
So no
So
worry.
half and half. Okay.
Yes.
And put it
And
on.
The
argon.
program, and if you need quick, you just put espresso,
Okay.
30 minutes.
Okay. Gotcha.
So
And then
quick and normal.
gotcha. Okay.
How long is
How about the
normal?
dryer?
An hour?
The normal is longer, like
Yes,
Like,
but you can speed.
is this saying
Doesn't
3
work.
hours and 44 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, that's long.
And if you need quick, is this.
Okay. Okay.
And then the
The
dryer?
dryer, secco para guardar.
Okay.
Just this and this.
Okay. Gotcha.
And that's 2 hours always? Siempre 2
Almost.
hours?
Yeah,
Okay.
takes a while.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, I think I got it.